LPM Production is a Danish company that is specialized in manufacturing a wide range of metal components. With 55 employees, the manufacturing company is one of the leading within its field, and customers include international companies such as Kamstrup and Grundfos. Although LPM Production has years of experience with turning and milling work, they were never fully certain whether a production would result in a profit or a loss. Because we are experienced people, things would go well most of the time. Every now and then, it would not go as well, and that's where we often had difficulties pinpointing exactly what was causing a problem. And on the shop floor, they were facing other problems as well, such as at shift change. Before, it was yellow post-its you would write for the next person, reminders, or a quick status briefing that something doesn't run so well. 1.5 years ago, LPM initiated a process of optimizing their production, and the solution became MDC-Max from Simco, one of the leading manufacturing data collection systems on the market. That's something we will never regret, because when it comes down to it, MDC-Max is now an indispensable tool for the employees. With MDC-Max, machines are monitored around the clock, and that provides multiple improvements. There's a color code that indicates what the machine is doing all the time, every second, and from these color codes we can see if the machine is running as expected or if it has many failures. On a day-by-day basis, we can see how many stops we've had, and those stops, have they been oil failures or have they been due to chips? It has given us a lot more machine hours, and it's the machine hours we make a living from. It has reduced the pressure on the employees because they can now plan ahead. We have access to data, access to the knowledge that was previously only kept in the heads of our employee. It is certain we have become 20 to 25% more effective. On the TV monitor, MDC-Max shows the current status of 5 machines. Employees can follow the production in real time or back in time. The data collected can be presented in several different ways, depending on the purpose and requirements. We have seen improvements well over 20%. Because we can access and rework the data we have from MDC-Max, we can adjust machine settings and make our machines run better. And then there was the uncertainty of whether a new production would result in green or red numbers. Today, we're able to take our monthly result and drill down to see exactly which product has performed the best and which has performed the worst. We get the first impression within 24 hours of running a new production on our machines, and from that we can focus our work towards getting more of the good and less of the bad. MDC-Max has been a great advantage for us and has enabled us to take on larger customers and process larger orders. If something goes wrong today, it is much more critical than 2 years ago, where we had many small orders. So, in that regard, MDC-Max has provided us with greater confidence and security.